Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Midjourney login problems in 2026. So if you're unable to sign in, stuck on the login page, or receiving account access errors, here are some common solutions you can try. First, double-check that you're entering the correct email address, username, or login method associated with your Midjourney account. A simple typo can prevent you from accessing your account. Next, if you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option and follow the instructions sent to your email. Yeah, this is often the quickest way to regain access. If you've recently changed account details, wait a few minutes and try signing in again to allow the changes to fully synchronize. Finally, attempt to log in once more and confirm that you can access your account, settings, and image generation features normally. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Midjourney login problems in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.